I like to be organized. Channel, my amazing craft artist. Hope you're having a great day. Today's a fun, exciting video for you and for me because we're gonna get organized. You think this room should be organized by now? It's been a little cluttery, a little messy for way too long. Way too long, and hopefully you guys here to see me change this room around a little bit till I move out of this apartment, get a better place, a better home, hopefully one day very soon, so I can have a room just dedicated to arts and crafts and an office to it myself and not share a room, a bedroom like this with all my stuff. So back here, I bought all this stuff right here back in the summertime, back in August. It was in the back to school section right here. This cute little organizing cart. I love it. I can't wait to show you what it looks like in the video. I made this in less than 5 or 10 minutes, you guys. Less than 5 or 10 minutes. It was done. It was that easy. Didn't need any nails or none of that stuff. It was easy. You just pushed it down and it was on and it was ready. It was popping. It was ready to be decorated and ready to be put stuff inside of it. So I cannot wait to show you what it looks like and what I'm going to put inside of it. I don't know yet though. So I'm really excited about this video because I'm changing this room all around. I'm decorating the room for the fall. As you see the leaves behind me, and hopefully your room and your office and your craft space is getting organized and getting clean as much as I am. So thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, you guys. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. And also give me a like down there, a notification up there. And I hope you have fun watching this video. I'm so excited to show you this wonderful thing that I bought at Walmart for $19.95. It was back to school time, so I don't think they still have it, but I'm going to put it together. I showed this in a vlog early on in the fall, like August, September. I showed this to you guys, so you probably should have got it then at Walmart. So let's talk about this in the video. Thanks for watching, my amazing craft artist. My name is Dee Crafts. My life is a craft artist, and I'm always trying to do cool videos for you guys. So I thought today I will talk to you a little bit about organization and why we should organize our rooms, our spaces, and keep the clutter under control. So like I said earlier in the video, I said I was going to show you how I'm going to make this. I did film this all ahead of time, and I didn't like how it was coming out. The video was terrible. The lighting was terrible. It was just terrible. So it's all put together. I put it all together myself. It was not that hard to do, and if I can do it, you can do it. So if you need some organization tips, there's a lot of YouTube videos on YouTube that do that. I'm just doing my little version of it, but I'll probably do better versions of this video very soon. So hopefully you enjoyed this little part of me trying to organize this room. The room's a total mess in here, so I've been throwing stuff away left and right for the last couple of weeks. Actually, a whole year I've been throwing stuff away. So I had from a long time ago. So I thought it'd be fun to show you my journey of getting this room up to par, up to my standards of cleaning this. I'm trying to wipe the walls down, sweep the floor, vacuum the floor. I mean, like I was rearranging furniture, rearranging containers, buckets, whatever I got to do to get it cleaned, get it up to par. So I'm glad I bought this. Like I said, it's a wonderful thing to have, but I need more to get more organized. So I used to be a neat freak. My house, my apartment was completely spotless. I didn't play no games. It was clean. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? You came in my apartment, it was nothing on the floor. There was nothing in the sink. It was just, now I'm like a lazy bum. Just not doing anything. And maybe sad depression is probably has something to do with it. But I don't know. But I'm done with all that. I'm done with all messy stuff everywhere. So I'm getting organized. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you enjoy everything I'll show you in this video. And maybe I'll show you the other part of the room one day on this channel. On my other channel, I'll show it all the time how messy the room is. But that's another time, another place. So thanks for watching this video. And if you don't know who I am by now, my name is Dee Crafts. My life is a craft artist. So let's show you this organizing cart. The box looks like, you guys. Isn't this cute? This is a really good box. It's really not that heavy. So when you get this box from Walmart, because it's Pen+Gear, the cool company's Pen+Gear. So this is what it looks like on the outside of the box, and you'll have fun putting this together. So I thought I'd show you that what it looks like. The box on the top shows you the picture. It has really good directions and everything. So we'll talk to you in the video. Hey there, craft artists. Are you ready to get organized with me? Well, today's a cool video for you. I went to Walmart a few months ago and I bought this amazing organizing cart from Pen+Gear. It comes in jet black and white, and it cost me $19.95. I don't know if they still have this there, but if they do, run and get it. I bought it when the back to school sale was going on. This is a beautiful way to organize your room with your pencils, pens, sticky notes, and all, put your notebooks and everything, and books in the bottom of this beautiful organizing cart. So let's talk about this beautiful accessory. Hello Kitty. Everybody loves Hello Kitty, right? This Hello Kitty water bottle I bought for $5 Below, and it was wonderful. You can put whatever you want inside this amazing cart. You can put a cup holder, a water bottle, whatever. And this is the instructions for us people who don't know how to do instructions very well. This is easy. It took me less than 10 minutes to do this, guys. The parts were easy. You didn't need any screwdrivers, hammers, or any of that stuff to make it work and beautiful, and it was so much fun. Pen+Gear, you did the right thing, and it's almost done. I'm just showing you what it looks like before we put it all together. I did film this months before, but I tried to put it together, but the lighting was pretty bad, so I decided not to do that. So you can also put a pencil holder up there on top, you know, that's cool. And it shows you right here all the things you would need to put inside that. I have notebooks, I have all kinds. Look at pineapple. And a beautiful strawberry from Vibe Below. The perfumes are awesome, right? And it fits perfect for that if you better put that in there. So look what it looks like. I'm looking inside all the compartments. A lot of room in there, you guys. You have to dust it off a little bit because I just took it out of the box and it's still getting dusty already. So I had so much fun showing you this beautiful cart. I hope you guys go to your beautiful Walmart and go on the back to school section, I think it is, where I found this, or maybe in the office section might have it still. I'm not sure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have fun looking at all the things I'm showing you in this video, and I'm just loving this. It's such a good way to decorate my room. I can't wait to make this room pop, make it more functional, and I love how this looks. It's so much better. It makes the room inviting and makes me want to clean my room up even more. I love cleaning things. I love having a neat an amazing room. It's easy to move around. See, I'm pushing it back and forth. I had a water bottle. It leaked down there a little bit. Just wipe that off. I'm getting organized. Also, I'm getting organized with the closet as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. I had so much fun showing you about this amazing cart you can buy at Walmart. And this is me putting all the cute stuff in, like my pencil case. There's my sketchbooks is in there. There's my beautiful, wonderful little bags right there I got from Walgreens. And then I put this girl boss at the bottom. So much fun, right? Just put some stuff inside. I just wanted to show you real quick that you can put cute stuff in here, make your room pop, your notebooks, your sketchbooks, your beautiful, beautiful girl boss thing. And then you can have that beautiful 100 envelope challenge there. And this is my beautiful notebook of mermaids. Look at beautiful glitter it is. So you can put all this stuff in here to make it neat. You don't gotta overstuff it either. So I did have some cute little these are wonderful cute. I got at Walgreens a long time ago. And then this is also what I got at Walmart a long time ago, you guys, and the dollar section, when we had a dollar section at Walmart. Isn't this cute? So you can just put your little wallets up here if you want to. I got 2 sketchbooks right here, notebooks. I have a pencil case. I have another little zippy bag to put your change or dollar bills in. I got from Michael's. And then down here, another sketchbook. And then down here's a 100 envelope challenge. I'll be showing that in another video. And then down there is a Girl Boss pencil case that I got from Dollar Tree. So this is what it looks like. So wonderful, right? That you can decorate your room. I thought to show you how I'm going to do it. I don't know if I'm going to leave it like this, but this is just a show my amazing crap artist for watching this cool video. How to organize your room with just a little bit. This beautiful cart that I bought at Walmart for $19.95. It was a cheap way to get your room organized and put your notebooks and books in it. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to put in it. I'll show you that in another video what I'm putting inside of it. Right now I haven't decided what I'm going to put inside this container. I don't know yet. It's a work in progress. Everything in here is a work in progress. We need to update everything and get things up to par so I can actually function in a room that's not messy anymore. So thanks so much, you guys. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I hope you like these videos. Give me some chances, you guys. I'm trying to get better at this channel, trying to get some more views, more people to come in and see my channel. I will be doing more crafting videos. I'm doing a whole video about that reboot of my channel in another time, another video. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much, you guys, and I hope you have fun decorating your room for the fall, and keep crafting no matter what, because Dee Dee's Craft says so.